Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable your webcam or driver camera in Windows 10 using Device Manager. This method is simple, quick, and doesn't require any third-party software. Whether for privacy or performance, you'll learn how to turn off your camera easily and safely. Let's begin. First, right-click on the Start menu, then select Device Manager. This opens a window that lists all the hardware connected to your computer. Now scroll down and find Cameras. Click the arrow next to it to expand the list. You should see your camera listed here. Right-click on the camera name and choose Disable Device. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Your camera is now disabled. This change is reversible. To enable the camera again, just go back, right-click it, and select Enable Device. Keep in mind, this disables the hardware completely. No apps or services will be able to access the camera until you enable it again. This is useful if you don't use your camera often or are concerned about privacy. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on other Windows features.